Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Angeli Tiara from class K1 English Language Education. Today, I want to presentation about general American value. So, let me begin. Okay, what are American general value? American culture has been enriched by the value and belief system of virtually every part of the world. One of the main American value is independence. Independence is sometimes referred to as individualism. Americans are very proud about being self-reliant or being able to take care of themselves, and they tend to think others should be self-reliant as well. Okay, point one is a freedom. Freedom. For Americans, freedom is a prime motivator of self-determination, reflects in the bravery of the early colonists and those who marched westward to create new life, homes, and communities. Various freedoms are also guaranteed in a Bill of Rights, the first 10 Amendment to Constitution. The First Amendment guarantees in the freedom of religion, speech, assembly, and the press. The Fourth Amendment prevents unreasonable search and seizures. That is, the government cannot, without reason, enter your home or seize financial or computer record. Okay, point two is individualism. Individualism, people are seen as a separate individual or not group member with individual needs. People need time to be alone and to be themselves. Result, Americans may be seen as self-centered and sometimes isolated and lonely. The values that exist in individuals have 5.1. Believe that each person is unique, special, and a basic unit of nature. And then 2. Emphasis on individual initiative. 3. Stress need for independence. 4. Premium on individual expression. And the last is a value privacy. Point 3 is a punctuality. American place a high value and punctuality. If you make plans with someone, you should be there when you say you will. There to 5 minutes early is even better because it is show that you are really looking forward to spending time with the other person. An example is a person who promised to arrive at 2 and who arrived at 2. Point 4 is a volunteerism. Volunteering is generally considered an altruistic activity and is intended to promote good or improve human quality of life, which in return produce a feeling of a self-worth and a respect, but no financial gain. Values of volunteerism. 1. Believe in helping others or relate to equality concept. 2. Philanthropy, admire. 3. Personal choice, not a communal expectation. 4. Involves association and denomination rather than kin groups. Point 5 is equality. Americans also believe in the idea, as stated in their Declaration of Independence, that all people are created equal. Americans are generally quite uncomfortable when someone treats them with obvious difference. They dislike being the subject of open displays of respect, being to bow to, being different to, being treated as though they could do no wrong. There are some values of equality. 1. Open society that ideally treats everyone equal. 2. Leader hierarchy. 3. Informal. 4. Directions in relation with others. Okay, point 6 is informality. Their notion of equality leads US Americans to be quite informal in their behavior and in their relationship with other people. Store clerks and waiters, for example, may introduce themselves by the first given names and treat a customer in a casual, friendly manner. This informal behavior can puzzle foreign visitors who hold high station in countries where it is not assumed that all people are created equal. Point 7 is idealizing what is a particle. Many historians believe that most of the beliefs and values which are characteristically American emerged within the context of the frontier experience. Survival experience also explain the American trendy to idealize whatever is particle. This can do. Spirit is something Americans are prone of today. They like to think they are a natural born, do it yourself. Okay, point 8 is a mobility. Mobility is American is not a sign of aimlessness but optimism. Moving about from place to place is such a common and accepted practice that most Americans take it for granted that they may live in the 4 or 5 cities during their lifetime. Americans had to feel that buying a house might embolish them forever. Point 9 is a progress. Americans are generally less concerned about history and tradition than are people from older societies. History doesn't matter, many will say. They believe that people as individuals or working cooperative together can change more aspects of the physical and social environment if they decide things to do and a schedule for doing them. The ideal person is punctual, that is, arrive at the scheduled time for a meeting or event, and is considered of other people's time, that is, does not waste people's time. Okay, I think that's all I can explain about general American value. So, if I have a mistake word, please forgive. And thank you for your watching. Bye bye.